Welcome back to a Project X Top Step X tutorial video. In this video, we're going to talk about the best layout on the desktop device for you to trade two different asset classes, right? Two different markets. So this is the way Project X is going to look like the first time you log into the platform. So you only have one market, you only have one order ticket, one DOM, one times in sales, right? And it's a little bit frustrating having you switch between two markets because things can get confusing sometimes, especially when the market is open. You know, things are moving fast. You might make mistakes, or you might open a position on the opposite market, or things happen. So this is the way you're going to set that up. First thing you want to do is right here at the top, there's this little box here for trading view. Click that chart layout and make sure you can select the two here. The first two that splits it right into a vertical line. Now we have two different charts here. Now with these two different charts, you want to click that box again. Make sure all of these boxes here are unchecked, especially the symbol box, right? Because we want two different symbols. So on one side, we're going to have something different, on the other, something different. So let's say I want to do micro gold here. Okay, there's my micro gold, and I have micro NASDAQ on my right. So whatever we have here on the right, we're going to link it to the micro NASDAQ. And the way you do that is basically go to this indicator button, search for a link, add that to the chart, and make sure you click settings and choose the color that's the same here, here, and here, right? If you're using all of these, you can keep them. If you're just using the DOM just to save yourself some space, you can remove the order ticket and times in sales, right? So you just trade with the DOM and you have the order kind of slash ticket at the bottom there as well. Okay, so if we want to trade NASDAQ, we have NASDAQ. Now, what do we do about trading gold? We can actually add another element, which is another DOM in this example. We could do that by clicking this plus icon that says add components. And then what you do with these components, if you just click on it, it will not do anything. Okay. What you want to do is click, hold, and drag outside the box and place it wherever you wish, right? Don't just throw it here, but go to these arrows, okay, and hover over those arrows and see where they would place this order, or DOM in this scenario. Us, we want to place it on the left. So you could either do it all the way on the left or just on this little kind of small box here. Let's do it just like we have it on the micro NASDAQ. Place it right there. Click the X here. Okay. And now we want to make sure we can add another link here. We go to indicators, add link, choose a different color. Again, make sure you are choosing a different color than what you've placed there on the right. Let's choose red. Make sure the color up here on the left is red as well. Okay, now we have a chart pertaining to gold and a DOM pertaining to gold. We have a chart pertaining to NASDAQ and a DOM pertaining to NASDAQ. And these are going to be linked together. These are going to be linked together. If I ever want to go to micro ES, the DOM automatically updates to that market as well. Okay, now I'd be careful if you're doing this on a tiny screen because as you can see, it could get clustered. But if you have a good sized monitor, this is the best and easiest way to trade two different markets. So you're not switching back and forth between tabs. I hope this video helped. Make sure you stay subscribed for more Project X and Top Step X tutorial videos.